Have they started recording?
Oh my gosh.
He hates it.
Yep.
Somebody in the house.
That party we all went to at Sophie's, that was good fun, apart from me passing out at about 10:30.
Hey dude,
But
doing Into
you missed it.
Darkness.
Hey dude, why don't you go fuck yourself?
Okay, coming back to life. That was good fun.
Good iPhone.
Awesome American.
Don't need a fucking iPhone. It's GP for the win. Product placement. So ashamed. Why are you so ashamed? So we're on the way back to Josh's to get 3D glasses because we're going to see Thor, God of Thunder.
Oh, you want to play
Thor. We're gonna go see Thor in 3D.
Oh, I got my finger over the lens. That's never a good thing.
3D.
Hey Josh! 3D!
No, okay. I'm pretty sure there was a point to this video. Josh is running away. I don't know these people. It doesn't matter because Josh has already been in the background of 2 videos now, and now he's going to be walking away like a coward instead. Hey Josh. Get that thing. Oh, he had headphones in.
Nothing.
No. Nothing. How are you, man?
Fucking no, stop that video gay shit, mate.
Oh, fuck. God.
We're harassed.
Are you pranging out, Josh? Are we pranging you out?
Did you grab the chewing gum?
No, I didn't grab the chewing gum. I forgot the chewing gum. I have cheesy poof. Hey, Josh! 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 Cheesy poof, Josh! Cheesy poofs! Not gonna do it now. I've got cheesy poofs, and I've got minstrels, and I've got... what's the other one I've got? Red rum. No, not red rum. Red rum. I would like red rum. Murder? What? Anyway, here we go. This is silly. Let's go harass Josh without the camera.
It was really lame.
We're gonna go watch Thor. I'll give you a review when I get back. It'll probably consist of I saw Thor. It was fucking awesome. And
Yeah.
I saw. I know. Yeah. He's a pedophile. Do you want to sign off?
Suck my balls? My goodness.
Yep.